Hey design friends, we're going to start using Tinkercad today. Tinkercad is one of my favorite programs. It is a great 3D modeling software platform. It's cloud-based. You can design STLs to 3D print from. It's just all around a great tool. A lot of you have used it already. We use it a lot in our school and it's just fun. So I'm going to show you some ways to get used to it and to do some cool stuff. So I'm going to go to my Chrome and I'm going to open up a new window. I'm going to go to Tinkercad.com. Tinkercad was started by MIT as a design software. It's been bought by Autodesk, who makes Fusion and all these cool things now. So it integrates really well. If you have never used Tinkercad before, when you go to Tinkercad.com, it's going to ask you to create a new account. That's fine. Just use your school account. It'll be awesome, and then you can make and build all these really cool things. So here's some wheels I've done in the past. So we're going to work a little on some wheels today. But what I'd like you to focus on is learning to use some tools. Now, some of you know how to do this, but you might have some gaps in your knowledge. I know I do. So working through some of these scenarios works pretty cool. So I've got Gallery, Blog, Learn, Teach. I'm going to go to Learn. And I'm going to click on that, and it's got Starters, Lessons, Projects. So starters are kind of like some real basic things. So if you've never used this before, this would be a great idea. Then you've got some lessons and you've got some projects. So if I go to Lessons, that's got lessons help you learn important skills, just a few steps. That's what we like. Now if you want to get real crazy, you can go to Projects, where primitive shapes, let's learn, build a Tinkercad house, design the best wind farm blade. There's a lot of really cool stuff, but I want to go back to lessons, okay? So let's do some Minecraft party classes, although chess pawn's pretty sweet. So I'm going to click on that. And when I do that, it takes me to this great guide screen. So it says, let's get this party started, and it shows me. So when I go to start it, I go here, and yours will say start. Mine says resume. So I click on that, and it will load. And it's going to show me the build platform. And it's going to have each step of the lesson, and you can build and design, and it says next down here. So I'm going to press next, and it's going to show me start by dragging the box shape to the work plane. Find the box shape in the panel on the right. Oh, here's a box shape. Oh, here's a box shape. Cool. So I'm going to drag it right over here. Boom, and then I press next. Scale it to a height of 5 millimeters tall and a size to 6 by 6 millimeters. Now if you click on that shape, look, it shows me 20, 20. Now you might be like, well, what is that? 20 feet, 20 miles? Now it shows down here, your grid is 1 millimeter. I can change that grid if I want, but I like to keep it at 1 millimeter. So you can click through that and it says snap grid, right? Height of 5 and then 6 by 6. So I'm going to go 5. Oh, wait, no, it says 6 by, hey, where'd you go? Bro. 6, and then I'm going to change the height. So right now the height's at 20, height's now 5. Ooh. 5 millimeters. This is great. And then it has you drag some things around, copy and paste. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but you get the idea. You work through all these steps, and it shows right here I'm at step 4 of 9. And I can go back to steps, I can change, I can get out of here. Don't start building new stuff in here. Obviously work through. If you want to get out of here and do something else, you can just go up here and get rid of that. Or you can go here and you can start something new, you can start a new project. So I want you to work through some of these scenarios. Now, if we go back to our projects, so let's go back here to Tinkercad. I'm going to click on this. It'll save my work. It always saves your work. It's the cloud, so it's awesome. So I'm back here at my dashboard again. My dashboard has all the designs I've worked on. It does not have the design that I was just doing because that's a tutorial, right? So I go back here to learn. Remember, in lessons, I've got the chess pawn, the ruler. Now, if I click on see all lessons, I can do a ton of different lessons. People have created awesome skills for this. You can make a dice, you can make a saw-shaped wrench, you can make a ring, you can make a heart ring, Easter ring, diamond ring, those you get serious in your relationships. All kinds of really cool stuff. So you're welcome to work through any of those if you want. Now again, we can go back to learn. Those are basics, right? And those are lessons. I can go to projects and I can get some pretty cool stuff where there's some challenges, and you're welcome to work through those as well. Now, if you want to get crazy though, right, so look at all this. Penny whistle, space stations, Roman dome with columns. Oh my gosh, so many of these cool things. So, but if you want, you just go back to your gallery. Oh, that takes me to other people's stuff. Ooh, cool. I didn't even know that was a thing. What? Huh, I just learned something new. That's pretty sweet. Okay, I lied. So if you want to go back to your thing, you go to your, click over here, and it's got like new. So if I want to do a design, a brand new design, I can go here, and then I can start creating. So if you're super advanced and you don't need to work through any of those tutorials, I would challenge you to create a wheel. And because our next project, we're going to build race cars. We're going to 3D print the wheels and build the car out of wood. Building a wheel is harder than you think. So on our website for school, I put up a couple guides. So there's going to be an advanced guide here. The guide I'm actually making right now is going to go here. There's also a playlist I'm going to share with you that you're welcome to go through. So if you want to get crazy, do all this. And then once you're done with all these things, take a screenshot of each of the projects you're working, post them to your intro projects page, and then a text box to describe each picture. So maybe take 4 screenshots of these projects you're working through and show me what you've done. Alright guys, happy creating, enjoy Tinkercad, and learn more Tinkercad because it's cool, and build more cool stuff. Bye!